Hello, in this lesson we are making another model, AutoCAD 3D. So if you are on top, open AutoCAD. If you are on top, this is how you go to isometric, top view, isometric. First thing you need to be on drafting and annotation. And here, go on top of the ribbon, right click here and select show tabs, and then select 3D tools. Okay, now you have 3D tool tab here on top. Here you have 3D tool tab. We go to home tab, and here go down on snap mode and turn on snap mode. And right now you snap to the grid. See, it's going to snap, snap, snap to the grid because the snap mode is on. And now go to rectangle tool. Now you, after selecting rectangle tool, click and it's going to snap, click, and now see it's you see two boxes, one type, for example 4, and tab, press tab, and the other one, like for example 6, enter. The box is here. I click on top to zoom extend. By the way, I increase the line width, thickness of the line. If you click line W, then you are line weight, and check mark here, and I select here. So again I go to box, I type 4, tab 6, and zoom in. Either the best way is to click on top, and it's going to zoom fit into the space. You can scroll with the wheel to your desired size. Make sure that snap to drawing grid is on here. This one should be on, and go to rectangle one more time, and it's going to snap. So see, it's snapping, and select. Or you can just click here. Is object snap is on. This is why it's green. So object snap is on the bottom here. Click end point, midpoint, center is on. This is why it's snapping here. Turn to green because it's endpoint. And I show this on top of this. Click. Uh, type 4 tab 1. It's this line. Now you go to circle, select circle, and here, for example, say circle radius, and it's a snapping, and the radius specify or adjust. You can enter the radius. I type 2. Okay, it is too big. You can undo or Control Z. On here, 1. And now right click on here and show tabs. Make sure that parametric is checked. So we are going to add dimension. Go to dimension. First of all, I told you in classroom that we want the dimension be in different layers. So go to layer property and add new layer and type dimension, and here change the color of your dimension, for example green, and change the line thickness, and I want load more line, and for example dash, select it, okay, close. And now still we are in layer 0. Click, go to the dimension layer, and now when you press dimension linear, for example, you can add dimension. For example, here radius, change. For example, if you want to have radius, select, select arc or circle. It's not showing. Go down in object snap. Make sure center is on. So you need to, and it show um, the radius. If you are not happy with the size, it's too small or too big, you can type dim s, dim s, dim style, and modify. I'm modifying text height, I'm going to decrease it. Okay, so small. You can go and make it your desired size and color style. Okay, if you don't want to see the dimension, you can just click on here on this lamp and invisible that turn off, so it's still there. If you want to get it back, you can click and turn it on. Good luck. This is part of the video of this lesson. See you later.